Okay, here we are trying to determine the concentration of ions. So if they give you a mass and a volume, you can use the mass and the molar mass to determine how many moles of calcium chloride are in the solution. Let me get my calculator out. So 2.5 divided by 110.98. So it's 0.022526, etc. moles. And I want to find the concentration of this. So that's the moles divided by the volume. Moles, 0.022526 moles. Divided by the volume, 100 milliliters. So change that to liters. Okay, divide 0.1, so I get 0.225, and I need, just 2 sig figs. So maybe I should let me keep the bigger number until I'm right done. So this is moles per liter. All right, and that is of this. So if I use my ratio, for every one of these, I get one of those. So the concentration of calcium ions are going to be 0.225 moles per liter times 1. Or in other words, I don't change them. And then the concentration of chloride ions are going to be the 0.225 moles per liter. But this one I'm going to have to multiply by 2 because of that 2 right there. So the concentration of chloride ions will be, what does that come out to? 0.450? Might be 451, depending on the rounding. Moles per liter. This should have been per liter. Okay, so that's the original solution. That's the concentration. Now, and that concentration is in this volume. Okay, so in that 100 mils of solution, that's my concentration. So then they ask the question, what if you dump in 1.5 liters of a sodium nitrate solution? What is the new concentration of the calcium ions and chloride ions? Well, I do have an initial. Let me go back up. I'll do it a different color. Let's go blue. So I do have an initial concentration of calcium ions, and it's in that volume right there. And then this is going to give me a new volume. So I'm adding that to it. So I would add the 1.5 plus the 0.100, like this one there, and that would give me a total new volume. So I can use my C1V1 equals C2V2. Yeah, I can use that to determine that. So, and I'm looking for C2. So C2 is going to be C1V1 over V2. C1, concentration 1 is this one. So that's 0.225. That's a 2. Moles per liter. Times V1 is this one up there, the 100 milliliters. You might not be able to see that. 0.100 liters. Divided by volume 2. So if you add this 1.5 plus that 0.1, that'll give you 1.6 liters. So the liters cancel, and now I have to multiply and divide that. Okay, let's hope my calculator still has that number in it. Sure it does. So I have to times that number by 0.1 and then divide it by 1.6. So my new concentration would be 0.014079, etc. And then I would do the exact same thing for the chloride ion too. This would be moles per liter. Yeah. All right. Hopefully that helps you on that one. That's a tough question, that one.